Hey! Hey! Nine! Chubafa! Run after them! Chineke, what is this? Hi. Which kind of dream be this? Guards, they pursue me. I can't they run. What thing I don't do again? God, I don't talk say I won't be a good girl. What thing I do? I beat Igwe. Which kind of temple run be this?
If you carry wahala come, he go give you double love. No be say them say the girl no well about. Chica ima no dey fear anybody. Oh. Chica ima no nonsense, girl no. Yeah. Chica ima no send your papa. Yeah. She say fearless maiden, yo. Chica ima no dey fear anybody, yo. Chica ima no nonsense, girl no. Yeah. Chica ima no send your papa, yeah. She say fearless maiden, yo.
How much you want withdraw?
Mama, 20,000.
Na 600 though.
I beg now, do it for 400.
No, na 600 I beg.
Okay, well fine. Do it.
Put your pin. Declined.
Decline for where now?
Decline.
Wait oh. Oh sorry. Mama, no now. They don't beat me. See, they don't beat me. How come you come become decline? What's happened?
Madam, go your bank when they give you your money. It's declined. I'm not there with your money.
Say they don't beat me.
Now network. If you go to your bank, they will give it to you. They go.
I don't know. If I say be thief, and like this, they just take people money.
They mad.
Madam, you slap me.
They mad. Who they call thief? They come on for this place.
Madam, you slap me. Okay, now they come.
Nonsense.
Say, now you happy? Don't worry, we don't come for you.
What happened?
Why will you slap my sister?
Why no go slap? Why she go call me thief?
She be not sure, Abby?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, I know the thief. I never thief for my life before.
So when she said he declined and they beat her, you didn't want to give her the money. Why?
Oh. Make she go bank go collect her money. I am not with her money.
You must be a thief. You must be a criminal.
Oga no insult me.
How do you mean?
Ross, collect that. Oga, don't try yam.
Oh, punish you now.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear them. The girl no bokobi, bokiripo chay. If you carry wahala come, he go give you double love. No be say them say the girl no well about. Chica ima no dey fear anybody.
Oh, shit. Oh, my.
What is going on here? Afam? What's the meaning of this?
What is it? What is what, Dad?
On my bed?
And so what? Why can't you allow me to enjoy myself? Don't you know in abroad we don't have threesome there? What's the problem?
On my bed you are making out with my maidens?
I say continue, please. They're my subjects. So let me enjoy myself.
Now get out.
Do you want me to sleep with
I
you?
said get out, get out.
Don't go.
Get out.
You go nowhere.
Tell him to go.
Go where? Go where?
You
Then
dare
go
me?
nowhere. Go nowhere.
You dare me?
Nowhere. Sit down. Then go nowhere. Go. Come here.
I am disappointed at
I am
you.
disappointed at you. What's all this?
Do you realize that you are a crown prince?
And so what?
And this is the kind of life you want to live?
So what? I should not enjoy myself?
On my bed.
So what?
You are, oh, I don't just know what to call you. I don't know what to call you. And now,
What's the meaning of this?
now where is my money?
Which money?
My $2,000 you stole from this my room. Where is my money?
I used it for something very important.
And you had to steal it? You made yourself a thief? Did I send you abroad to learn how to steal?
Yes, you did.
I sent you abroad.
Of course you did.
So you agree that you are a thief?
Yes, and you are a
A
thief.
shameless one at
You are a
that.
father to a thief.
I said, where is my money? I want my money.
Which money?
I want my money.
Don't
Where is
even
my
touch.
where-
Don't touch.
where is my money?
Which
I,
money?
I said, where's my money?
What money?
Where's my money?
Excuse me! What is going on here?
First of all, your son stole my money. And that's what he does all the time.
Oh, really?
Then two, met him making out with two of my maidens on my bed.
Your Majesty, let me understand you very well. Which one is the problem here? Making out with your maidens or that he stole your money? Which of them? Let me ask you this question, Your Majesty. If he did not take your money, whose money will he take?
Oh.
Anything that belongs to you belongs to him as well. This is the future king.
Including sleeping with women on my bed?
Oh, Your Majesty.
Oh, there's something wrong with you, obviously.
Oh, Your Majesty, it means nothing. Have you forgotten that this is modern times? In the Western world, they do it, they call it nothing. It's just making out and having fun.
No,
so
it
allow
is-
the young man to be.
No. Now listen to me. It is our tradition to make sure that children are well brought up.
Oh, tradition, my foot. We are the people that make the tradition. We can change it at any time. This
That
is
is
modern
true.
time.
That is
So
true.
we have to change it. He is the future king. He will do whatever he wants to do. So what is the meaning of this?
Stupidity is what you are saying.
From common $2,000.
Yeah, Majesty, what is that? I was downstairs. I was hearing noise.
Oh no, look at the decadence that they have brought to my kingdom. I met him sleeping with two maidens on my bed.
Point of correction, having
He steals my money every minute of the day.
point of correction, he took his father's money.
He stole his father's money.
He took it.
I did not give it to him, and so that's stealing.
Your money is his money.
It's not. Let him make his money.
Mom, 100 for you.
Now, where's my money?
You better go and call those girls. Because I'm not done enjoying them.
Where is my money?
I am not done with it.
Oh man, allow the boy.
Where is my money? Where is my money?
That was
No! Where is my money?
What is all this?
You won't bring my money.
Bring the money.
Allow him.
Mom, talk to your husband.
Where is my money?
Allow my
Talk to your
son.
husband.
Allow him to be. What is this now?
If he doesn't give me my $2,000, he goes
What will
nowhere.
happen?
Then what will happen?
Allow him.
I want my money. I want my money. Leave me alone. I want my money. Leave me alone. Give me my money.
You push me. You push me this way. You push the kids out. You push the kids.
Your Majesty, have you seen what you cost? Have you seen what you cost? Come on, $2,000. That is why you are making noise. Come on, $2,000. Look at it. Had it been that something happened to you now, it should be because of common $2,000. Okay, good at him. It is your bed. Lie down. No, relax very well. There are certain things you will see and you will let go. An old man like you, don't respect yourself.
Because of my ancestors, we punish you.
You let them punish you.
The gods of my ancestors, we punish you.
They have started
We
punishing
punish you. How are you, my good friend? I have told you to leave that your son alone. Do not let that boy kill you. He's a very stubborn boy. An idiot. If not for my wife, I would have arrested him. I would have sent the police to make him spend the rest of his life in prison. Yes, your house is my house and my house is your house. You can come and visit us. I am home. Come and relax. Yes.
May the gods have mercy on Prince Alpha. What has that boy turned into? What is wrong with him?
It's unbelievable.
How can a man be so eager to take the life of his own father? How?
I am wondering.
And His Highness is a high blood pressure patient. What is going on? Why is this boy doing this?
I don't know what to do about this situation.
Good morning, Your Majesty. Good morning, my queen.
How are you doing today? You're looking so beautiful.
Oh, thank you, you too.
Thank you.
I'm doing great. Thank you so much, my queen.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, is everything okay? You look worried.
Yes, it's okay. Just little troubles. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay. My queen, I'll be inside.
Okay. You're always welcome.
Thank you so much, my queen. Thank you. Thank you.
I am pained.
I know.
I am very pained. Because my friend, Igwe Declan, would never listen to me. I warned him about that ugly woman. Imagine a woman that the mother had killed the father and reported to the kinsman that he slipped off the bathroom and died.
Not again. Your Highness, why do you always come up with this story?
I have to, because I am pained about this situation. And even it was later discovered that the woman was banished with the 3 children. It is that bad.
This is pathetic. Honestly. But I still talk to your friend to leave the palace.
We were in the secondary school together. And that's the part that pains me.
All you need to do is to keep talking to him to leave the palace. Else that boy will kill him.
You said we open POS for here?
Yes, please. This space is enough for us, for the both of us to operate.
Not be say enough space. My papa gets this land though. Now you get everywhere. But you be copper now. How you wanted to do POS can they serve?
No, it's not a problem. At least after my PPA, I can come here and just hustle a day. At least 2,000-3,000 naira is something. It will help me.
Let me say you go see my papa or make a reason with you. But I know say you go agree, but I need to talk.
Really? But I don't know your father.
Don't worry, when you reach there, una go talk, you go know him. Okay. Where are you from? Wait, so this guy. Now you they withdraw money from me. Now only you want to open POS. You just they pursue me, they go everywhere. They go in the shop. Eh?
I just want to.
Okay. I go teach you now.
Why is he always fighting our king? Why?
That boy is a menace. Yes, I fear for our kingdom.
He actually pushed our king for the 3rd time and the queen did not do anything.
Do what? When the queen is the person who has always been supporting him. Huh? Because let us change this topic and talk about a better thing.
Papa, who locked the kitchen?
Lock the kitchen as how? I don't understand.
Papa, what don't you understand? I am asking, who locks the kitchen? In fact, why would the person lock the kitchen when I'm still in this house? Who locked that kitchen?
You are here as what? As a minister of food or as a provider or as what? Tell me.
Papa, I am asking you now, who locked that kitchen? I've been saying this because I will break that kitchen. I'm asking you for the last time, who locked that kitchen?
Oh no, look at this man. In fact, look at this good for nothing. I don't even know how I'm going to use to address you. He knows nothing more than food. Everybody ate breakfast here in the morning. And now it's not up to 12 o'clock. You are going to the kitchen. What are you going there to go and look for?
Papa, what else if not food?
I said it.
A hungry man is an angry man. I am asking for the last time, who locked the kitchen? Because in that kitchen right now, who locked that kitchen?
Oh no, look at this boy. Go to the farm and help your mom. Ojuraju. Go to Panya. Go to South. You are just eating only food. He eats for a living.
Papa, you don't want to tell me who locks the kitchen. A hungry man is an angry man. I am saying this because I will break that kitchen right now.
Uchenna, go to shop and collect key from your sister. Oh yeah, leave.
No problem. Both of us will die there today.
If you like, die. If we see, look at his hair like a mbadi kenda ugeze.
Hey, you have a son here.
Oh no, we can't.
This boy we eat down yamba. Oh, you need to buy your food, but you oh, the hell go.
You dey mad? Say up, come on from my front. Make I give you key as to waiting. Every night you go enter kitchen, they collect meat for pot, food go they spoil. If you try am, I no go give you the key.
Now me the shot for. Now give me the key, I go carry my food. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Don't provoke me, oh. Not provoke me, oh.
I be the shot for.
Give me the key.
I go mend you for here and I go beat your block so you dey mad.
Bro, see if you
I be the shot for.
It's okay. I go scatter this step, no.
No. Hey. Try am, I no give
me the key.
Just calm down. Collect the key. See this boy, you dey follow me. You dey follow me.
Wait, you dey like me.
I mean, you dey follow me.
Come, police, come.
Uchenna! 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 Uchenna!
Chikaima.
Papa, why Uchenna?
Chikaima, Ogini. What is it?
You see your pikin, if I catch her today, I go kill him. He no fear, carry my POS machine run. POS machine until they make money. Uchenna carry him. Ben Johnson. He don't pay for him. If I catch him, when I go hear the scores.
Chikaima, you not kill me in this house. You and your brother will not kill me in this house.
Okay, now you dey talk, Abi. We will not kill you in this house. Papa, if I catch Uchenna, I go forget 2 by 2 for your head. They said my name is Chikama. I know well, when I go ask question, I go beat blood come out for your body. My POS machine, I think they play. You don't whine.
Chikaima, go and kill him. Yes, go and kill your brother. Kill him and eat him like food.
Now you dey talk, Abi.
No, you will not kill me in this house.
Now go hear this cause.
Hey! No, we forget.
Ichie, when will this war in your house end? This time around, it is Chikaima. The other time it was Uchenna. These people will kill you. They will kill you. Fight for yourself or they will kill you. I'm going. Please, I'm going.
Oh no.
I'm going. No more discussion. I'm going.
If I catch this Uchenna, I go break your head. Everything about go to support him. I go in my hand and money cook finish. Uchenna go carry him babe. Come finish my food. Papa no go talk. Maybe I catch her first. Make you no worry.
Hey, hey, young girl. Come here.
Good afternoon, sir. No vex. My brother they make we talk anyhow. I work.
How dare you?
I don't understand. I don't greet you now.
Who are you and where are you from?
I come from this village. Not be Papa Chisom. Who know you? My papa na Iche Okonkwo. My name is Chikaima.
Oh, so you are a true daughter of this land. You saw me and you cannot bow down to greet me. Have you forgotten about the tradition of this land?
I don't understand. Now me they talk to be another person there for here. What did they stop now?
I said bow down and use your head to touch ground to greet your Ezemo.
As waiting. Say who you be. If you say don't smoke ukpumiri. All this kind one that they drink, look like they juice are not good for your body. They go not too much for your body. What did they stop you now? I don't on my own, they find my brother jejeje. I don't look for your trouble. I don't fight you. Don't collect what's not be your own. No. If I don't vex me, I don't collect my greeting back. I don't greet you again.
Stop there.
See, ma clear you. You go warn yourself. You know they feed my papa. You hear me? Don't brush your mouth, because your mouth they smell. You get levels. See, Papa Chisomo. You don't gather moral. I see your moral. I see you. Mugu.
This girl has dared me. She has dared me. I shall come back for you. I shall come back for you.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokobi, bokiripo jay. If you carry wahala come, you go.
Uchenna libe only eating anu, because that is the only thing you came to do in this world, to eat and to chase woman.
Mama, Mama, listen. Talk to Kaima. Talk to her. Talk to her.
We can make it. Just go and return that her POS machine. Because of food, you ran away with your sister's POS machine. You are playing with her business. Mama, you are so mean. Welcome.
Mama, I will return it when I'm done eating. See this food? I'll finish it.
Come on, go and return it.
Yeah.
Go and return it. Better return it.
If I return, I'm gonna
better
make my
return
hand
it.
like this.
You say again?
Make my hand like this.
Ah! Hey! Hey! Chica, mama. Mama, leave him.
God will judge you.
For me because leave him. You want to kill him for me? You somewhere? Oh yeah, stand up. Stand up. Do you know how I mean?
Look at what she did to me because of food. Look at my back. Look at my spinal cord. She want to kill me because of ordinary food. When
you took her POS machine, what do you expect? When you took her POS machine, what do you expect? Something that she uses to fetch money. Huh? Not trying to
look at what she did to my rice and egg. Look at.
That's what I do that. Leave it phone. You know, need the remaining.
Okonkwo! Wise one.
Okonkwo! Okonkwo!
Wise one.
If not that you are a man I know too well, if not that you are a respecter of the gods and tradition, I would have crippled your daughter instantly. I would have made her to understand that when you close your eyes against the storm, you wake up in the ruins of your own house.
Wise one, thank you so much for not doing it. You know, my wife and my daughter, they are churchgoers, and you know I'm a traditionalist. So I am very sorry on her behalf, please.
Okay, I don't care if your daughter is a Christian or not. She has to get a white rag to appease the gods. The gods are angry.
Wise one, but I just told you that my wife and my daughter, they are Christians, and my daughter she's a little girl. Please forgive her, please.
Okay,
Wise one.
Warn your daughter she has only 3 days. 3 days to provide a white ram and 6 bottles of shinab to appease the gods. Okalam Modu Okalam has spoken.
All kinds of ways there. Let me call her. Hey, Umazi, I get him now, Subu. Obidie, please come back home right now. Agwan on Akarika, wherever you are. Leave all those questions. Just come back home now. Hi.
I don't collect him, but you don't tell him.
He's your brother.
I know he's my brother, but they misbehave too much. And every time I do all this nonsense, my parents go to support him. He don't use less finish. I do a shaggy. It's not something I do more.
Chikaima. No be small thing that happen for a house like this.
What's happen?
As I dey follow you, they talk like this. Every more day for a compound, they shout, they give your father.
I don't understand how.
No be small thing.
Wait, my papa they call me. Papa?
Chikaima, come back home this minute because if I should meet you there, I'm going to set that place ablaze. Come back home right now.
No, take it easy.
Take it easy. Chika.
I will not have my daughter to be disrespectful. No, never.
Nai, Chikaima, my daughter, can never meet an elder on the road without greeting him or her. I can bet my chest. Okay, I know the daughter I brought up.
Shut up! Shut up! I've told you that you are the one spoiling all my children. I've told you that. Yes! What is the big deal for Chikaima to bow down and greet the chief priest of this kingdom? What is the big deal there?
I can beat my chest. Chikaima can never do it. Oh, yeah, eh? Whatever you were calling and ranting. I totally support my daughter on this. I support her. She will not bow or genuflect to any chief. Eh? She will not genuflect to any high chief. What is it? Please, oh, I know the daughter that I brought up well.
At this point,
I was even doing something when you called me. Uchenna, I was attending to Uchenna because she hit him. I mean, she attacked him with a log of firewood there in the farm.
It's not my business. It's not my business. It's not my business. Let her come back here. That is my own. Besides, I don't even have any money to spend on anybody. What is the problem?
I don't even have dime. I brought my daughter very well. I brought her up. I am a Christian. My daughter is a Christian. Oh, good
that he become one that he be.
Chief priest that he be. Leave my daughter alone. I brought her up very well. I'm a one solo. I'm a one.
Hey, baby. Babe, I've missed you so much. You have no idea. You know the feeling, right? I mean, I can't wait to be in your arms. When are you wrapping the project? Come on, babe, switch to video call. No? Why? Babe, I'm here. I'm in the palace with your parents as usual. Okay, babe, you know what? You just go ahead and send me some nice pictures before I leave here, okay? Send nice pictures, cute pictures before I leave, babe, before I leave. All right, I love you. Mwah. Bye.
Wow.
Sexy. Just can't wait to see you again, my love. Yeah, my princess. I've seen the pictures, they're beautiful. Girl, you're so fine. So when are you leaving the house? Visit my mom? Okay. Okay.
Sorry. But why will you be fighting your elder sister? Eh? You should have come to the house. I will give you enough food to eat now.
Come and do what? Relationship that is not up to 2 weeks.
Does it matter? Eh? It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, wait. Eh? Let me apply this thing on your back. Eh? It should clear the bruises, okay? Sorry. Ndo. Sorry now. Ndo. Sorry.
Okay.
You avoid that now. Stop playing with her, please. I think my father is there. Relax now. Papa, you're back.
Cuckoo.
Papa, you're back.
Yes.
Welcome.
I am back, thank you. Go and get me a cup of water to drink.
Okay, Papa. Uchenna. 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 Papa, I'm coming.
Thank you. Is food ready?
Huh?
Are you normal? I am asking if food is ready.
Yeah, no. About to.
About what? You mean since I left this house, you have not prepared food? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
So I will leave you. Good afternoon.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Who is she?
My friend.
Which of your friends? Do you have any friend in this village that I do not know? You just came back from Lagos. How come you have a friend that I do not know in the whole of this village?
Papa, she's just my friend. I met her last week.
Okay, just come on, shut up there.
Yes.
Go keep this one inside the house.
Yes, sir.
Go first and get me food ready. Nonsense. Ikuku. Ikuku.
not try am o. I not do am. If I try am, I puff.
Chikaima.
If I try am, I bend. I'm not gonna bend my back for anybody. For wetin na? You dey whine? Man carry my hard-earned money, my business money, go buy ram for one stupid chief priest. When I carry on a stupid and you come out from my front too.
Chikaima, you say you will not do what?
I say I no go do am. I be talk am. I no go serve two masters. I no go serve juju, come dey serve God. For wetin?
Do you see your daughter?
I no go try am. Sure? You dey whine me? You wan whine my Jehovah God? God wey dey see everything with the clear eyes? God wey no need to go to know wetin dey sup? God wey go declare everything in seconds, things go dey sup? I no go try am, Papa. I no go carry my hard-earned money go give that stupid cheap priest I dey buy one yeye ram. Mama, see wetin sup o? I dey on my own o. I dey go find new trainer. Now I see this juju priest for road. He say make I bow for am. Make I bow. How will it be? Papa, if they tell you say I go bow to any juju priest, you go believe am.
Chikaima!
Now you leave her alone. Okay, now be able, Father. Let her be, oh. I will not be happy with you if something should happen to my daughter. I will not take it lightly, oh. Happy I
Mama, you dey waste your energy. Chill. Nothing fit sup. You dey whine. Nothing go fit happen to me. Me, Chikama. How? I no dey fear anybody, oh. Only God I dey fear. Bele no dey fear. Na make am face front.
Are you people aware that I'm a title man in this community? Are you aware?
Papa, if you be title man for your pocket, nobody send you message. All I know be say, I no go give any ram to any stupid juju man. I no go try am. I no go fit.
Mama, Papa, who is this one? Where is this one coming from?
Make I thank God for me today. Now God save me.
Why do you dress like this?
Una pikin don mad finish you.
Hey, Okonkwo, if you give him more.
Each time that stupid boy gives you trouble, come here and relax. This is your second home. Do not let that boy kill you. Do you understand me?
Your Highness, you need to listen to your friend. I'm sure you know he that fights and runs away lives to fight another day. So you running away from trouble is better than dying in it. Your Highness, if you keep allowing Prince Afam to frustrate you, you will die. And when you die, life continues. So listen to your friend, please.
But how long will I continue to run away from my own son? An infant I carried in my hands when his mother delivered him. We're talking about my son here. Gods of my ancestors, I curse the day I refuse to heed your advice.
Yes, it's okay.
I remember vividly. You warned me not to marry that evil woman. You did.
Yes, but it's okay. This is not what you should be talking about now. Relax yourself.
Do you know I have not eaten since morning?
What?
When I said I have not eaten since morning, I have not had my breakfast.
This is barbaric.
Oh, no. You need to do something about it.
She instructed the chef not to prepare anything for me until I give her the 25 million naira that she is demanding for. And when I asked her what she wanted the money for, she wouldn't speak. And she's aware that my son stole my money.
But why would she be doing this? Knowing fully well that you're not fine. Anyway, Your Highness, you're welcome here. Feel free. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
I think I need to get the meal myself.
Oh, please be fast about that so that my friend can have something to eat. My good friend, just relax. You are going to be all right.
Thank you so much.
You just need to be careful about that boy.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
How are you?
Your Majesty, I wish to return to my kingdom now.
Okay. Tell your mother that I would like to see her tomorrow.
All right, Your Majesty. Shall we?
Be safe when you drive, huh?
All right, Your Majesty. Thank you.
So, my friend, it is important that you take care of yourself.
Yeah, baby. I'm leaving the palace already. Meet me there right away. Just go into my car right away. Okay.
Obiora, you don't stay here for long, go.
Yes, I am free today.
You know what thing go sup, eh? Tomorrow, carry your table and chair and your POS stand. Come set them for here. I go chest them. No need to tell my papa. Country hard, you know, easy for anybody. Now also all of us the hustle.
Hey, oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm grateful. Which means I can start immediately.
Immediately, tomorrow, sharp. Zubo, I say they hot.
Thank you.
You don't get table, chair, and umbrella.
Yes, everything, including the machine.
You mean business, oh? Just like that.
Just like that.
No wahala.
Oh, thank you, like I said. Tell me, how did it go with the priest, the chief priest?
No mind that madman. That chief priest, they mad, though. He go my papa say, me, I go buy ram, give ram to appease the juju. Me, Chikaima. I tell her, say I no go try am. They mad. I no go fit.
Wait, are you joking?
I'm not a joke, oh. I tell her, say I be Christian, charismatic for that matter. I'm not go fit serve God, serve juju. I tell her, say I no go try am. No sense.
Oh my God. Are you that fearless? We're talking about the chief priest.
Me, I be chief priestess. I know they fear anybody. I know they look anybody face. You see that chief priest, if you try nonsense with me again, I swear to God, I go beat some man, they go use stretcher car and go in shrine. See what you sup, oh? And they go find Uchenna for that this man see me say I must bow to him. As I know green, I be the problem, oh. But no one, if you try me again, he gods go run leave him. Don't whine.
Chikaima, please, I just want you to be very, very careful. Please, tread with caution.
I go there careful, but may nobody find my trouble. Because anybody will find my trouble, call it what. I know well, oh. You whine.
Uchenna!
Mama, free me now. Which one is Uchenna again? Free me, Vico.
Come and see that. They're not lying. Uchenna, why were you on a female outfit today? What happened?
Mama, I'm using it to shoot content.
Say content. When did you start shooting content?
Mama, since today I've been shooting content with it. Is there any problem with that?
If I should ever believe you, then I am risking my life.
Mama, you no need to believe me. No, believe me, because if you believe me, they risk your life. It's still important for this house. No, believe me, cha. Ha.
Anyway, did you know that the chief priest came here to ask of your elder sister?
Mama, what you concern me with that? Kewa Sam. You know like chief priest name. I was around them. See, nothing concern me for her matter. If not be that, say that girl and my sister. Mama, by now if I don't, they wear black for her. And they tell you truth. Anything way chief you want carry her do, make him just carry my statue for his sacrifice. No concern me. Nothing like that girl get the game. Mama, you make me talk too much, but if they pay me, if you hold the cake, give me, I go find food to eat. Give me.
I am saying important thing, and you are here saying chief pressure is and
Okay, it's only food that you are after. So Nick Mania.
That girl you talk about that, she resembles human being for your eye. With her agaba teeth, she is. Mama, I beg, I don't want all this matter again. See all my ribs here now. As I talk, they hook me here. That food that they find.
That food you always find. So Sunday, it's your boy every time food. Which are that food? Only need.
Okay, Mama. Mama, since you don't want to give me food again for this house, make I go outside go beg food. Are they hungry? Are they hungry? I beg.
Come on. Mama,
you don't want to give me food again for this time. Make I go find food eat now. After that, I go say I stubborn.
What you don't want to belly? Go and beg in Kagini. Get your brother.
You go follow.
Come and sit down.
You go follow.
I will give you food. Yeah, no, Sunday Kima. Eh? It's your Sunday Kima. No, you laugh and whine. If I beg you, you can't belly because.
Go bring the food now. If you want make us sit down here, go bring the food.
Yeah, hello, Mom. Mom, I think she's cheating on me. But first, I need to get my findings clear. Very soon, I'll be leaving my hotel. I have a meeting to attend to. Can we please continue this topic later in the evening when I'm back? Please, I need to cool my head off, please.
Okay, my son. It's all right. Remember to always be careful, okay? Talk to you when you come back. All right, bye.
Greetings, my queen. My queen, the food is ready. Please come and eat so that it won't get cold, my queen.
What did you prepare?
We prepared salad rice, my queen.
Okay.
All right, my queen.
Oh, God.
The queen of my heart. The ruler of my world.
My sugar boy. Have you tasted? You like it? Wow.
So, what's up?
About the money? Don't worry. You know, I've already promised you that I'll give you the 25 million naira. But the only thing is that you have to give me some time. I'll give it to you, okay?
Babe, you know I really need to set up this studio and there is no much time. At least before this month ends. Come on, baby, do something.
Like I told you, it's a gradual process. Huh? I've told my husband to give me the 25 million. So as soon as he gives it to me, I will hand it over to you for you to open your mega studio. But even if he doesn't give me the money, I've already decided that I will sell one of my lands and make sure that my sugar boy is happy. You know your happiness is my concern.
There you go. You see why I love you? This is why I love you. Now you're saying something. Look at you, my queen.
Just drink. You see what? I just want you to keep on making me happy. Make me feel like a real woman. Whatever you want, just a snap of hand. Yes. I'll give it to you. I trust you. So you have nothing to worry about.
Baby, I love you so much.
And I love you, Ma.
You really need to learn how to talk to a woman, Afam. You can't keep treating and talking to me like I'm a dog.
So what are you? You are my dog, in case if you don't know.
You know what? You are lucky that you are so good in bed. But I find it difficult to resist you.
Oh.
You're slightly lucky.
Thank God I'm lucky. So when am I getting the money?
I told you my allowance is nuts. Hey, my man is calling.
No. Go on. Run your shit.
Be quiet. Hey, baby. Hey, my love. Yes, baby. Yes, babe, I'm home now. Kind of noisy background. Somewhere noisy. Yes, babe. Babe, what did you say? Video what? I should switch to video. Babe, I can't hear you. Can you hear me, baby? Hey, my love. Babe, you know what? Let me call you back. I can't hear you. The network is so bad. Alright, baby, I love you.
All the princesses will go to hellfire, says the future king of Oba Kingdom.
Whatever.
Shut!
Whatever.
Baby, I bought that.
God. That was close.
Listen, when am I getting the money?
I'll call you in again.
Look at me. Don't mess with me.
I am not messing with you.
I studied banking and finance in school. You don't see I'm not work no day anyway. I be dey work for bank. But that banking sector get a CB for the things they occur for that place. Everybody go want knock you. You see that customers go knock you or bank manager go knock you. Now say instead of me to go knock, make a kukuma carry my dignity intact, come out. Now I run come out go start POS business.
Are you trying to tell me that you did not compromise at all?
Compromise waiting. No gain now. Gain day. No. See all these bankers they're no good. They knock themselves like dog. They chop themselves. They knock their body waiting no good. Eh? If you see what they put for there, my brother, you carry your 2 legs, you go run come up for that place. Now run no. You didn't whine. They say if you cannot beat them, you join them. Now I say, instead of me to beat or join, ma come out with my dignity intact. I know say one day God go bless me with money. I go open bank or microfinance bank. Everywhere go soft, everywhere go stew one day.
Well, I am proud of you. Very, very proud of you. I mean, your type is very rare. You know the crazy world of nowadays, people with shortcut of getting money and looking for flashy things and all of that. But look at you. You have your dignity and pride. You came out with it. No genuine relationship these days is all fake. So I am really proud of you, I must say. I am.
My guy, I don't want to make anybody mess my body up. You understand? Me, say, I dey proud of you.
Me too, thank you. You're so funny, I must say.
Thank you. We dey near my house, so. See this guy, you. I just dey follow you, the vibe, and I don't even know you like that. That means say you be better person because anybody who I vibe with, it means say the person poor, the person na good spirit.
Really? I see.
Make I dey go now.
All right. So
if I just take through stroll like this, bell like this, I'll just enter my house.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Take care. Bye bye.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokopi. Pokiripo Jay. If you carry wahala come, we go give you double love. No be say them say the girl no well about. Chica ima no dey fear anybody.
Hey, young girl. Hey.
Good evening, my prince. How you dey?
Nice looking. Spin, turn around.
Nothing to turn around though, because in normal, no be fine girl, everybody know, so nothing to show.
What's your name?
Chikaima.
Get into the car.
You say waiting.
Get into the car.
I thought your car say waiting happen. What did they stop for the car?
I hate repeating myself. Get into the car.
Your car have fried rice. Or got shift. You mad. You mad.
Hey!
Okay. This is not the meaning of that dream when I dream. And the meaning of that dream when I get be this.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bakopi.
Chikaima, are you not the one I'm talking to? What is your problem?
Papa, no like this can't talk. No, they repeat this thing. I don't want to hear him. Mama, talk to your husband now.
Allow my daughter eat in peace now. Because
Then who will pay for the ram? Who will pay for the ram?
I no go pay for any stupid ram.
Did you hear her?
Even goat, I no go buy. She I no go do for that stupid native doctor. I no go try him.
Nai, since you have the money, why don't you pay for it?
Oh yeah, keep
But go here, buy it.
Pay for waiting. Eh? Make you not buy anything, no. Mama, Mama not try me, oh. Mama not tempt me. I not send you message. Not do anything for that stupid native doctor. Oh.
Did you hear her?
Anyway, let us change this topic.
Better, because that stupid man no go see my 1 naira, and he no go fit do anything because I know they fear him. I know they fear anybody.
By the way, you said that you met Prince Afam on your way coming. What did he say to you? Did he ask you anything?
Mama, he tell me to make I enter a car, make I follow and go palace. I tell him I say for waiting. I Ben Johnson, I run no. You know, so I tell you about my dream. When I dream this afternoon, I don't want to make anything happen. I make I run.
Why did he ask you to follow him? Did you ask him?
I'm not bothered to ask. I don't want to know. Mama, won't allow me eat this food in peace, I beg.
You must buy the ram.
Chikaima no dey fear anybody. Chikaima no nonsense, girl no. Chikaima no send your papa.
Chika, good evening.
Where Papa? I want to see him. Where he dey?
He's not at home. He should be in his shrine.
He dey in his shrine?
Yes.
Okay.
Chika, I hope all is well. I have not looked for my father before.
Now you go know see all is not well. Ogorone they jump out for broad daylight. You see there, Papa? It don't be for him. I want to see him now. Where they go? You said that here now. Where they go? I know the place. Hey! Thank God I don't see you. I mean, they call your shrine. I beg you, get what I hear. I want to hear from your mouth. I want to understand what you talk, what you tell my papa. You say, because I not bow to you, because I not worship you, say I go provide ram, not true? I want to hear it directly from your mouth. Talk to me.
Young girl.
Old man, not true, I've been a rumor.
How dare you obstruct the dreaded Dibia of Umbaoku kingdom? For doing this, you shall provide a live female cow.
Okay, not be ram again, a cow. Ogama, I warn you. If I catch you near my papa house again, if you carry any message, come give my papa again. I swear to God, I go enter your shrine, I go burn him. I'm not well, oh. Go ask question.
What?
All those your stupid gods, I go burn them with fire.
What?
Don't try me, oh. Warn yourself. You don't whine.
Go and prepare your coffin, for you shall die.
Now you go die.
You shall die.
Now you go die. May I clear you? If you try me again, your gods go run leave you. Go ask question. Go find out about me. I'm not well. They hear me? Don't try yourself again, oh. Stupid man.
Go and get your coffin prepared, for you shall die.
Okay, now you go die.
You will die.
Now you go die. You and your gods. Stupid man. Save up, boy.
You shall die.
You're mad.
Ikuku. Ikuku. This is a challenge. This is a challenge. Shikaima. 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 Shikaima! Today you must die! Shikaima! 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 Today you must die! Oye buki Shikaima. Oye bu Shikaima.
What sort of life are they living? Hey, when waywardness is their anthem. Oh, what kind of life are they living? Hey, when iniquity is the order of the day.
My prince.
I hope you guys are ready.
My prince.
What is it?
I'm sorry, I can't be with you tonight.
Why?
I am on my monthly flow.
What?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Get up, get up.
Yes, my
Get up! Get up! Ijoma, right?
Yes, my prince.
Ijoma, I hope you're not on your monthly flow, right?
No, my prince. But my prince.
What?
My prince, my fiance just paid my dowry, so I can't be with you in your bed tonight.
Now listen to me. Thunder fire you and your so-called fiancé. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
To hell with your so-called fiancé. Now, get inside, man. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Move it.
What is the meaning of this?
Oh, shit.
What is this?
Shit. Shit.
On my bed again.
Why are you always an enemy of progress? No, why are you always an enemy of progress? What is all this? Why can't you allow me to enjoy myself? Why are you always tormenting my life? What is all this?
Afan, who caused you?
You are the one that caused me.
Are you the only one with that thing in between your legs?
Oh, you want me to sleep with it?
No. Are you want to come to my house?
Don't try this again. Don't try this again next time. What is all this? Why can't you allow me to enjoy myself?
Your son brought a woman again to my bed.
Now listen to me. The next try this, you won't like my action. No, the next time you ever try this again, you like my action. What is all this? Mom, warn your husband.
That you brought a woman here.
Just imagine.
Is that the reason you are
Just for me to enjoy myself.
You don't want him to enjoy himself?
Don't try this next time.
Eh?
Nonsense.
You don't want him to enjoy himself. Will he enjoy himself with you? Is it not with a woman? What is the meaning of this?
Grace.
Allow him to enjoy himself. This is his own time. It is his own time. Will you tell me that you did not do such a thing during your own time? Eh?
I want to ask you a question.
What stupid question do you want to ask me?
Who's that boy? Where did you get it from?
What do you mean by that?
Because that boy is not my son.
Whose son is he? If he is not your son, whose son is he? Oh. You want to turn it round? A pot calling kettle blackie? Is that what you want to become? Oh, you think that I don't know the way you sleep with all the widows in this community? I have the full details in my palms. I have it. I'm just waiting for the day of reckoning. Then I will give it to you. Eh? What is the meaning of this? Every time you'll be shouting.
My friend, I am in it again. Should I die before my time? Just know that it's my wife and my son.
Hey, call him! You think I'm afraid of him? You have called your useless friend. Both of you are useless, senseless, worthless, shameless. I'm not afraid of you. Call him. Are you calling him as a police or an army or what? Will he arrest two heads together and deal with you. What is all this?
Your Highness, I am going right away to deal with that woman. How can she be insulting you? I know she was staying on the phone.
She did not insult.
She doesn't know you're my lord. If she insults you, she insults me. I need to go deal with that woman.
No.
Your Highness, no!
I have everything on record. She will pay dearly for it. And for that son, I will make sure he will never ascend the throne.
Oh, your Highness, see, you need to allow me to teach you. You know, I'm a mad person. I'm just trying to respect you because you're my husband and my lord.
You cannot.
You know me. Forget the fact I'm a queen. You know I'm a crazy woman.
You cannot be mad like her. Please calm down. Sit down. Calm down.
Your Highness, you should have allowed me to teach her a lesson. Why would she be insulting you?
You can handle it. Let's use wisdom and handle this.
Baby Alpha.
Jesus!
Huh?
Which kind dream be this? Dibia they pursue my brother. I say you want to am.
So when are you coming?
Papa Chisom.
Hmm?
Uchenna!
Just hang on, I'll call you. What is it?
What do you do? I dream say Papa Chisom they pursue you. Make that man not try nonsense with you because if he try rubbish, he go collect woto.
Sister, beg, give me a on call. Can't you say I'm on call?
What did you do?
Do what now?
I had a terrible dream about you. I dream say they pursue you, nearly kill you. If that man try rubbish, I swear to God, I go bring his shrine down. You know me, I'm not well, oh.
Sister, beg, woman, and sack off. He doesn't have weight. Just relax.
My only brother, won't take my brother play. They mad.
Just calm. I'll call you. Just hold on.
You do something.
Nothing I do. I didn't do anything.
I mean, a strategy.
So when are you coming? Eh?
She can't drink it.
What sort of life are they living? When waywardness is their anthem. Oh, what kind of life are they living? When iniquity is the order of the day, they are making caricature of royalty, living their life the way they want to. They are making a fool of royalty, living their lives in iniquity. What sort of life are they living? When waywardness is their anthem. Oh, what kind of life are they living? When iniquity is the order of the day, they are making caricature of royalty, living their life the way they want to. They are making a fool of royalty, living their lives in iniquity. Chika, no dey fear anybody, oh. Chika, no nonsense, girl, no. Chika, no send your papa, yeah. She say fearless maiden. made yo. Chica imano de fia.
Obiara.
Ah, Chikaima. How was the night?
Very fine, oh. I see say you don't set your stand already.
Ah, everything is set. I mean, the banner, everything.
God go help us.
Amen, oh, amen. I'll be going to the local government, but I'll be back before 2 or 3.
You sure say you go fit run this business?
Why not? Yes, now. Business don't start.
Okay, oh, government speaking.
Thank you. I appreciate everything you've done for me.
No wahala. Now we win, now we day here.
Thank you. Welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Ikuku. Ikuku. Ikuku.
Greetings, wise one.
Can't you see I'm doing something important?
Wise one, the queen said you should come with me.
Is that supposed to be an emergency?
I do not know, wise one. But she said you should come with me at once. It is very important.
It's all right. Let's go then. As for that girl, I'll come back for her.
Good day, how are you?
Fine.
Is your father around?
No, he's not.
Okay, because I checked him in the shrine, I didn't see him.
Oh.
Okay, please, hand this envelope to him.
Oh. Okay, sir. I will.
All right. Bye.
Good day, sir.
Good day, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Chisom,
I did fine.
What are you doing here?
Now you are fine now. Now your father there around.
Ain't no day.
Hey.
You're a bad boy. I beg you.
Do like this.
No. I don't agree. See you. Hey! Hey! You won't watch me.
Chica imano de fia anybody. Chica imano nonsense girl no. Chica imano send your papa. She say fearless maiden. Yo. Chica imano de fia anybody. Chica imano nonsense girl no. Chica imano send your papa. She say fearless maiden. Yo. Jibri wo jibri da bri do bro. Yeah. Yo. Yo. Unde her body, wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokobi, bokiri jay. If you carry wahala come, we go give you.
You seem not to understand what I mean. My husband, the king, detests my son with passion. He hates him so much. So I want him out of the way.
So, what do you want me to do?
I want you to tell me what to do. so that he will get out of my way for good.
My queen, apart from the king, are you seeing any other man? I mean, someone who does your feet.
Isechi, I have this young, handsome, sweet boy that services me the way I want. That boy is so sweet. He knows the way to a woman's heart. So, I want the king out of my way, so I will enjoy myself with my sweet boy.
It's all right. My queen, on our market day, ensure you sleep with that young man. Thereafter, you make sure you sleep with our king. That is a taboo on his side. With that, the gods of our land will afflict him with illness, and gradually, he will join his ancestors.
Interesting. Very simple. Isechi, I will do that soonest. Okay. It's an interesting and sweet one. Thank you for giving me this information. I owe you for that.
Thank you. I'm on my way.
Good evening, my prince. How you dey?
Nice looking. Spin, turn around.
Nothing to turn around though, because in normal, no be fine girl, everybody know, so nothing to show.
What's your name?
Chikaima.
Get into the car.
You say waiting?
Get into the car.
I thought your car say waiting happen. What did they stop for the car?
I hate repeating myself. Get into the car.
Your car have fried rice. Or got shift. You mad?
Oh, Chikaima. Chikaima, I love you so much. I can't wait to make you my wife. My queen. After the whole insult, I'm not gonna give up. I love you. I can't wait to have you on my bed. Chikaima, I love you. I love you so much.
Hey. What's up? Are you good?
What is it? What is the problem?
Hey, come on.
What is the problem?
Hey, what's that? We're not fighting, okay? Why are you always hostile? What's this?
You're distracting me. I don't like it.
Distracting you from what exactly? Wait, Afam, won't you at least say thank you for the money I gave you?
Did you say thank you?
Uh-huh.
So after the whole knocking, the whole digging throughout last night, you still want me to say thank you?
And what if I want more? You're just so annoying. I'm out of here.
Chikaima, I like you. You're beautiful, hardworking, and probably smart.
You say your name now, Prince Fabian. Nobody you talk?
Yes, I am Prince Fabian from Umuaka Kingdom.
Umuaka Kingdom.
Yeah.
That place is very far from here. What
What you do for our community?
Well, I own a hotel here and 1 or 2 properties here and there. But that aside, Chikayama, I really like you. And I want to take you home to meet my parents so they could get to see their future daughter-in-law.
Oh, now so they take the carry woman go meet parents. Oh guys, I think like this, I know they think of settling down. Oh. You know they're my priority list. I never ready safe at all. No vex. No vex.
Okay, I'll give you time to think about it, okay?
No wahala.
Have a nice day.
Okay, you too.
My friend. Cheers.
Your Highness, you're always welcome. Anytime, any day.
Yeah,
You want more? I'll get you.
Let me feel the stomach quickly.
And I hope you enjoy your meal.
This is delicious.
Oh, thank you.
My wife is the best cook you can ever meet.
You're making me blush.
My friend, like I told you, don't let that boy frustrate you. This is your house too. Whenever he starts his problem, just come here at any time. You remember how it was when we were children? Yes. We were also eating in Mama's house and you would come to my house. That's true.
Was it just kind of food you were eating in Mama's house? What about the other side of it?
No, we're very innocent.
We
were very innocent.
So many other things. We were, don't forget we were royals.
Yes, don't forget that. So it was a very interesting time for us. I'm happy he's enjoying his food.
My love.
Don't you dare call me your love again. What's not your love? Who is your love? Do you know what I've been going through in your father's time just because I'm dating a native doctor's daughter?
What happened? Why are you acting up?
You'd ask me what happened. So you don't know what they go through. You'd ask me what happened. See, this thing never go anywhere. We'll never go far. So just stay your own, make I stay my own. I say I don't want again. I am done with you.
This is love now. Uchenna, I love you. I love you.
If you touch me, I will squeeze life out of you. Who be your love? What is love? Love where your father want to kill me in my dream. I am done with you. It's over between us. Don't ever call me your love again.
You are done. Because you don't see my nakedness, Abi?
You see my banana, I see your sock away. So nothing dead here. Nothing dead here.
Uchenna, you know what? Uchenna, you know what? This thing is not over. You see this thing is not over. We are in this together. Uchenna, you must be my man.
Ipe.
Uchenna, I say you must be my man. Uchenna, don't dare me, oh. Uchenna, don't try me. And if you try to cheat on me at this point, Uchenna, Uchenna, I will show you that I, Chisom, I am the daughter of the great native daughter of this land. Uchenna, Uchenna, don't try me. Uchenna, don't try me. Uchenna, don't try me. You will see.
So you're threatening me because I say it's over between us, Akwaya? Jesus. What did I just talk now? Hey. Achalugo! Please now, Achalugo. See, I beg now, no verse for me. You understand? Now just talk why I just talk. I don't mean anything. I beg. You don't know say I get bad math already. No verse. Now play yes. Now yes, now Frank. It's supposed to say yes.
Try me.
I beg.
Try me.
I beg. See. I beg you, see. And it's not follow my mouth, though. I beg you. If not love, I love you. Sorry, now. Yes.
Na Frank.
Yes.
Oh, my love.
My love.
Try me. Try me. Try me and see Uchenna.
I beg, na prank, na. Should I tell you say na prank? You know say I get bad math already. Na prank. Listen, I carry my hand go back. Which kind temptation be all this one? Baby, I beg, na prank, na beg. Na prank, you know, na prank I dey prank you na. Yes, na prank. Come now.
Uchenna, what did you just say? Eh?
Mama, what is it again? Why are you disturbing me? Leave me alone, no?
Come and sit down here talking. Come and sit down. Uchenna, what did you just say?
Mama, I said I am done with Chisom. I don't have anything to do with her. Why are you still shouting?
Of all the girls in this village, you chose Chisom, a native doctor's child. Eh?
Mama, why are you shouting? What is all this? I don't have anything to do with Chisom. I am done with Chisom. Besides, I am very hungry.
Hungry? That hungry should burst this your stomach. What is your problem? I'm not going to food. Okay?
What did they occur for you? What did they solve?
Now ask Mama.
Is it not your brother Uchenna? Uchenna has been sleeping with a native doctor's daughter. Where's her mom?
Sister, don't listen to Mama. Mama, what is all this? I said I don't have anything to do with Chisom. Why are you accusing me?
Wait, oh. You like say, now make a dream you do when I dreamed last night. I dreamed that the native doctor was trying to kill Uchenna. So you sleep with the pikin. What's happened to Ifoma? Ifoma will arrange and now you go marry. Why are you cheating on her? What's in the sup?
No wonder she has not been coming here. You chose Chisom of all the women in this village. All the beautiful girls. You choose them. Where's them?
Mama, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning? You people should free me alone. Free me. You people should leave me alone.
Make we free you.
Free you.
Make we free you. Mama, better go call pastor. Make they call do deliverance for this man. Before you go carry demon enter this house.
I am telling you.
Native doctor and demon. Now 5 and 6.
I am telling you. I will just do that. I will do that because Madam and Amili Chabamaya. Okay, Chisom.
Bro, Ellie cheats like mad. I'm still devastated, huh? I have my eyes on her 24/7. Yeah. As we speak, I'm in the palace. No, I've not seen her anywhere around. No. Yes. Bro, I'll talk to you later, okay? Alright, yeah. Bye. Ellie. This palace won't be your final destination, no?
I'm not try am o. I'm not gonna marry that priest. That one when I use drugs finish your life. I'm not marry him. What did you say? What did you say?
Don't you want to be the queen?
You say I'm interested in marrying the priest. I'm not go try am, mama. For waiting. What that one is I'm do?
That reminds me, Papa. What do you give Papa Chisom when make her the talk say, if not that your father acted on your behalf, say for if I want to know what you do am, what you give him?
Sister, we are here talking about the friend that wants to marry you, and you're here discussing about the native doctor. What are you talking about?
I slap you, eh?
I talk about important thing, you talk about priest. What did they work you? Papa, what do you give that native doctor?
Yeah, Can you imagine?